Welcome to Lock-In. I've had a few messages from people asking how to get into lockpicking and how they can learn it. Well, the way I learned was by watching videos on YouTube from people like Bosnian Bill and Skylar Town, and then buying something like this, a training lock, which is clear acrylic, and you can see all the workings of the pins and springs and everything inside. So you can see it works. And then with these locks you get also a cheap lockpick set, and once you get the hang of this, I mean, you can see what you're doing, so you can see which pins you're touching. You can learn whereabouts in the lock unit you are. And once you've learnt with one of these, you just buy yourself a cheap lock from the pound shop or something from the local supermarket. Ask your friends and your neighbours if they have any old locks they don't want that you can practice on, and things like that. Just build up your confidence, and then you can start trying bigger and better locks. Well, that's the advice for me anyway. So remember to only pick locks that you own and keep it legal.